In this last video today, we're going to be multiplying when I have two sets of parentheses right next to each other. We're actually going to be distributing twice. One way to help us remember to do that is using this acronym of FOIL. So our CFS says first we want to multiply. Well, we're multiplying because I have something right next to parentheses. So this actually means, hey, we're multiplying today. Our last CFS is to just combine any like terms, so anything with the same variable and the same exponent. So our acronym FOIL kind of tells us the order in which we multiply these out. F stands for first. So the first number is in our parentheses. O stands for outside. So those are the numbers that kind of make the bread of our sandwich, the 2x and the -6. I stands for the inside, so like the meat of our sandwich. And L stands for last, so the last two numbers in our parentheses. All we're going to do is multiply. So first, 2x times x, x times x. 2, and then x times x, we can actually write that as x squared. O stands for outside, so like the bread of our sandwich. 2x times, we want to keep in mind that this minus here means I kind of have a -6. So 2x times a -6. 2 times a -6 gives me a -12x. We just plop that x on the end, there's nothing to multiply it with. I stands for inside, so the meat of my sandwich, 5 times x. Easy, this gives us 5x. And L stands for last, so the last two numbers in my parentheses, 5, and then keep in mind that's still a -6 because I had that minus sign there. So 5 times a -6 is a -30 or -30. We're really just adding all these up. So at any time we're adding a negative, we can just change that to subtraction. So adding a negative. I've now multiplied using my FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. My last CFS, or my second CFS, they're the same thing, just says to combine any like terms. So that means I have the same variable and the same exponent. Now I see all three of these have x's, so that means they have the same variable. But I'm looking for what also has the same exponent. Now, this is an x squared. X squared isn't quite the same as x. So we can only combine things that have the same variable and the same exponent. So x squared isn't a like term with these last two. So last we want to combine the -12 or the -12x plus 5x. -12 plus 5 gives us a -7x. And I'm just going to bring everything else down. 2x squared, and then the -30. The only thing we did for that last step was combine the -12 and the 5 to get the -7. And I'm done. I've FOILed this out.